Welcome back to Get Lost with Brooks. Recently, I went to Iceland in the winter and found some incredible locations that I want to share with you. Links to the locations are in the description, and I'm saving the best for last, so let's do this! Number 10 is Diamond Beach. Now, when I say cinematic, this is what I'm talking about. Sweeping views, glowing ice, black sand, and hey, why not throw in 100-mile-an-hour winds while you're at it?
It's very windy. This is technically a hurricane. Oh my God.
Number 9 is, well, let's just call it the Hjörleifshöfði Cave. Surrounded by an epic black sand beach, you gotta drive or hike to the end of this giant cave. Why? Well, a sick photo, of course. Does this shape remind you of anybody?
May the force be with you.
Above the world's largest lava field sits number 8, the epic valley of, you know what, I'm not even gonna try this one. In 2015, Justin Bieber filmed a music video here and bam! 80% increase in visitors. Thanks to him, the hike through the base of the canyon remains closed. Number 7 is Skógafoss. This good-looking waterfall is one of the biggest in Iceland, dropping 200 feet. That's over 1.5 football fields. And it has a pretty sweet viewing platform at the top. Now that's what I call an epic view. While we're on waterfalls, we gotta talk about number 6, Seljalandsfoss. This is the first big guy you see when traveling east on the ring road from Reykjavik. And bonus, there's a hidden waterfall right next door. I have a lot more footage of this place in my last video, but I had to show it again because it's got that big cinematic vibe. Just make sure you and your camera are ready to get wet. Number 5 is the rugged and incredible Vestrahorn. Fly or shoot low to catch a magnificent reflection and be sure to say hello to the locals. Winter temperatures mean you can walk out onto this frozen bay. Just remember, kids, safety first. Heading west to the Golden Circle, we'll visit number 4, Thingvellir. Guys, this national park sits in the Rift Valley of a continental divide. 2 continents are literally splitting apart, and you can swim between them. These are some of the cleanest and purest waters on the planet. Hardcore fans of Get Lost have seen this before, but I can't talk about cinematic vibes without showing it again. A 45-minute hike from the Southern Ring Road is number 3, the DC-3 plane crash. In 1973, the US Navy crashed a plane out here in the middle of this dramatic landscape. Everyone survived, and although some of the plane has disappeared over the years, what remains makes for a great photo. This is cool. Now it's getting really good. Number 2 is Svínafelljökull Glacier. Nicknamed the Hollywood Glacier, it's been featured in Game of Thrones, Batman Begins, and more. It's well known for its hikes and, of course, stunning color, which is most vivid during the winter months. Just look at that. Incredible. Now it's time for number 1, an ice cave inside of Breiðamerkurjökull Glacier called the Keyhole. This cave formed naturally as water flows in through holes in the ice. Surrounded by 300 to 500-year-old ice and streaks of volcanic ash, this is easily the most cinematic, insanely beautiful thing I saw in Iceland. Big thanks to my buddy Mike for showing me this incredible location.
Did you fart, Mike? Gotta get out of this cave.
Those were the 10 most cinematic locations on Iceland's southern coast. Which was your favorite, and did I miss any? Let me know in the comments. If you liked what you saw here today, please smash that subscribe button. This is Get Lost with Brooks. See you out there.